Let's get learning with Santino.
Hi everyone, it's time to explore our number of the day. What will it be? Let's look and see. It's the number 15. Today we'll explore lots of ways to show and represent 15. So, let's get learning! Let's begin by having a close look at the numeral 15. It's a two-digit number, a 1 and a 5. Now fingers in the air as we write the numeral 15. Fingers ready? 1, 5. 15. Let's record lots of ways to show 15, starting with the numeral. Are you ready to clap the syllables in 15? Clap with me. Ready? 15. 2 syllables. Now let's use our fists as we say the syllables again. Ready? 15. What's the first syllable? Fifth. And the next syllable? Teen. The teen in 15 gives us a clue that there's a 10 in this number. Now let's have a go at spelling 15. 15 is spelt F-I-F-T-E-E-N. Spell it with me. F-I-F-T-E-E-N. 15. Now that we know the numeral and the word, let's find 15 on the number line. Can you spot 15 on the number line? Here it is. What number comes before 15? And what number comes after 15? Alright, let's start from 0 and count to 15. Point along with your finger. Ready? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. It's time to explore with our collection of 15 objects. Have you got yours close by? Pause it here and come back with your objects. If you're watching first, then join me as we count my connecting cubes. Let's check we have 15 cubes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Now, as we know, a great way to organise bigger numbers is by using 10 frames. Now, 15 is bigger than 10, so we're going to need 2 10 frames. Organise your collection of 15 into 10 frames while I organise mine. What do you notice? 15 is one full 10 frame and then 5 more. 10 and 5 is 15. Let's have another look at the numeral 15. A 1 and a 5. The 5 represents these 5. So what does the 1 represent? It represents this full 10 frame. One group of 10. This is the teen clue in 15. Well, now that we know that 15 is made up of 10 and 5, let's have another look at the number line. Let's use a faster way to reach 15 without counting by ones. We know that 15 is 10 and 5 more. So let's start with one big jump to 10. How many smaller steps will get us to 15? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 10 and 5. Count with me as we start at 10 and count on. What comes after 10? 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Check out my 15 craft sticks. Now, just like we can represent 10 as a full 10 frame, I can also represent 10 as a bundle. So I've got one bundle of 10 and 5 more. Another way to represent 15. Well, in the same way, I've grouped 10 of my connecting cubes like this, and then I have 5 more. 10 and 5. What number? 15. Well, we know about 10 and 5, but I wonder what other numbers could combine to make 15. I'm going to break up my block tower into 2 parts and find out. You could try this with your collection as well. Let's see, I'll break it up here. I still have 15, but how many in this part? Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And how many in this part? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 9 and 6 make 15. This is a great way to show 15 with addition. Let's record it. Here's another way to split 15. 4 and 11 make 15. Have a go at splitting your collection into 2 parts. Find as many combinations as you can that make 15. Okay, next, let's represent 15 as tally marks. As I draw my tally marks, you could draw along on your whiteboard or draw along with your finger in the air. Remember to draw a line across at each group of 5. Pointing fingers ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. How many tally groups do you see? Can you see 3 equal tally groups? Now let's try to make equal groups with 15. The word equal means the same. So let's try to find ways to split 15 into smaller groups, each with the same amount. Let's start with making 2 groups. This will be one group and this will be another group. I want to be accurate, so I'll move one block into each group at a time to keep them equal. I've tried to make 2 equal groups, but is it possible? I have 2 groups of 7, but I have 1 more. Adding block 15 will make the groups unequal. I've tried to make 2 equal block towers with 15, but I'm having the same problem. Are these block towers equal? No, they're not. Have a look. This one is missing a pair. If a number cannot make 2 equal groups or rows, what is it called? It is an odd number. Let's count by 2s until we get close to 15. Ready? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, and one more, 15, our odd number. Well, we can't make 2 equal groups with 15, so let's try making 3 equal groups with 15. Let's try making 3 groups. Here are my 3 groups, and I'm making sure they stay equal as I move my cubes. Look at that! 3 groups. Now let's check that they're equal. How many in this group? Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many in this group? There are 5 cubes. And in this group? 5. They're equal. 3 groups of 5. Another way to show 15. Another way to represent these 3 groups is by organising the blocks into neat rows. In maths, we call this an array. So let's make an array with 15. Let's start with this group and form one neat line. And now the next group will make a row underneath. Let's be accurate by making sure that the 2 rows are in line, one on top of the other. And now the third group will make the 3rd row. Look at that! 1 row, 2 rows, 3 rows. This shows 15 as 3 rows of 5. What shape has our array made? It's shaped like a rectangle. Let's record it. It's time to get the playing cards out and find more number combinations. Can you find 2 cards that combine to make 15? Here are 2 cards that I found, 6 and 9. Let's count them to be sure. Now we know that this card is 9, so let's count on. What comes after 9? 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Here's a challenge. Can you find 3 cards that make 15? Pause it here and try your best. As well as 3 playing cards, we could find 15 by rolling dice. I have rolled 6 and 6. What number will I need on the next die to make 15? Well, we sure have found lots of ways to show 15. Let's have another look at our board. As you can see, numbers are much more than just numerals on a number line. We know that the numeral 15 represents 1 10 and 5 more. Here's the 10 and 5. And here, all showing 15. We also know that 15 cannot be split into 2 equal parts, and that makes it an odd number. We can also show 15 as 3 groups of 5, and also 3 rows of 5 in an array. And of course, 15 is made of smaller parts that add to make 15. These playing cards are showing that 6 and 9 make 15. And these 3 dice show 15 as 6, 6 and 3. And don't forget our 15 tallies, 5, 5 and 5. Now that we've discovered so much about 15, it's your turn to represent the number 15. You could use some of the ideas we've shared today and then think of your own ways to show 15. And remember, numbers are all around us, so be on the lookout for 15 on a calendar, on a clock, at the shops, or even on a mailbox. Enjoy representing 15. Happy learning and see you next time. Be sure to like and subscribe, there's lots more to see. Come back again soon for more learning with me.